trying to like not look at my viewfinder. So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Girl, I'm out of breath. So today I'm going to be doing a hair review from some hair that I got from AliExpress. I actually need to go. I'm really out of breath. So I got some hair from AliExpress. I got 4 bundles instead of 3, which I only really needed 3, but the hair was cheap, so I was just like, you know what, why not? It was for my birthday. I put it in a little early, and honestly I wish that I would have waited because yeah, so we'll get into that. So the hair from the pack, it came in packs like this, you know, little plastic packs, 18 inches. The hair was really nice. I didn't take a picture of like the hair itself. Like right now, the only reason it's shedding is because she cut this one. I don't know if you guys like seeing this. This is the hair, you know, really nice, really soft. It was really soft hair. But now that the hair, okay, so I'm just gonna say okay, if you are only looking to wear this hair for a couple weeks, you know, a month or so, and you don't mind tangling, go right ahead. Go right ahead. Go right ahead. I waited to do this review just because I didn't want to go on here and I've only worn the hair for like a week or so. I have slept in this hair. I have washed this hair. I have flat ironed this hair. I've braided this hair. I haven't like curled it because I don't like curling and that's a lot of work. So only thing I have done is braided the hair like you see now. Like this is from a couple. I do like braiding this hair even though it recommends not to. That could be my fault. Let me see. All the reviews, the reason I got the hair is because someone on YouTube recommended this company. She swore up and down this wasn't like a paid video or whatever, so I trusted her. But then again, she used this hair to make a wig. So I would recommend this hair if you're going to take this off every day when you get home. Yeah, I wouldn't recommend it if you're doing a sew-in like I did, just because baby girl, this hair got a little tangled. So I did really like this company. This company is really nice. I may or may not try some more hair from them. I know I'm going to do more AliExpress videos just because AliExpress is really inexpensive. I love AliExpress. I get a lot of stuff from AliExpress. I get a lot of stuff at AliExpress. But yeah, so the response on this company was amazing. Of course, it's not gonna focus. It's really bright. So the response on this company was amazing. Like, they did really good. They were very, you know, really sweet. If I had any questions, like, they sent me their WhatsApp or whatever, and they were really nice. They were really cute. They were nice. They were a nice company. The only, I don't know, maybe I just be looking for free stuff, but since all they gave me was a wig pack, and I was kind of salty. I was like, oh, like, can I have a little bit more? They just gave me a wig cap. I mean, I didn't use it, of course, because I didn't need it. So yeah, now to the review of the actual hair. So, braiding this hair, I braid it up. I'll either do like two sections of hair, and I'll braid it up. I'll wet it. I'll put a little conditioner in it, and I'll braid it up. If I'm really feeling, you know, spontaneous, I'll do like maybe 4 braids, and it'll come out really nice. I'll insert a picture if I can. Or you can like simply just go on my Instagram and see the past couple pictures I have up are with this hair, and it is braided. So this hair tangles like no other. I don't know if it's just because it's braided all the time, but like, baby, excuse me. So this hair tangles a lot. It literally tangles a lot. I tried everything, you know, put some conditioner on it, put some water on it. I did notice though, like when I flat ironed it, it didn't tangle as bad. It still tangled though. So, you know, I've had hair that has been straight and it didn't tangle that much. So, you know, it still is really soft. Like, it gets, you know, it's really pretty. It's really pretty hair. It is pretty hair. It just tangles. It tangles a little bit. It tangles a little bit. This is the closure. My girl hooked me up. She did hook me up. You know, really nice, really cute. I got 20 inches. I'm 5'4", and it comes to like past my boob. And it comes like mid back. So this is like it now. I'm trying to like show you guys the movement, but it's not working because I'm sitting on my bed. Like it moves. Like if I were, you know, gonna do the test. If you lift your hair up, baby, and it don't move with the wind, it's stale. But it has been moving a lot. So I'm debating if I want to take it out or not. I'm also debating if I wanted to dye the hair. I'm kind of scared. I mean, it's really cheap hair. So, yeah. So, in conclusion, would I recommend this hair? Only reason I would recommend this hair is because it's a bang for your buck. I mean, you get what you pay for. I'm not upset by the hair that it's tangling. I mean, I got it from AliExpress. I paid $128 for it. And honestly, if the bundle deal would have been cheaper if I didn't get the extra bundle. I think it would have been like $109 or $118 if I would have just simply got the bundle deal. So really, I mean, you get what you pay for. I'm sure there's better hair for cheap. So yeah. So like I said, in conclusion, if you are in like the shipping is fast, that's a plus. The shipping hair is, you know, soft. It moves. It's still moving. She's not like to the point where she's just really like stiff when I move. It doesn't do that. She moves with me. You know, she moves with me. So I still do like the hair. This hair is still worthy to be on my head. It's not like too crazy where I no longer want the hair on me. Only reason, for personal reasons, is why I want to take it off my head is because I am hot. This hair is hot. When I'm at church, I'm hot. When I'm sleeping, I get extra hot because it's just like all on my neck. But that's not really like to be affected by the review. But anyways, would I recommend this hair? If you are only going to keep this hair on your head for, you know, a couple weeks, a few weeks, a month or so, sure. If you are going to make a wig, I feel like this hair would be perfect for a wig. I think it would be perfect for a wig. If I would have known that, I would have just made a wig and I would put it on my head every now and again. I do really like this closure. It's really nice. Yeah, I like it. I do like the hair. But if you plan on wearing it for like, you know, a couple months, kind of pushing it. So yeah, that's really, you pick. You know, I'm showing you guys that it does tangle. Like, it does tangle. It does come out eventually, but it does tangle. I think that's really it. There's nothing. The company was nice. fast shipping. It literally came in like maybe I ordered on during the weekend and it came like on a Tuesday. Communication was good. That's really it. The hair was packaged. They ship through FedEx, so that is amazing. I love when companies ship through FedEx. Anyways, so I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any companies that you want me to review, go right ahead and leave it down below, or message me on Twitter, Instagram, and don't forget to go ahead and check out my store. My store is officially open. I sell press-on nails, I sell lip glosses, I sell sunglasses, I sell lashes, I sell cuticle oil, I sell it all. I sell it all. Here's just one pair, I'll show you, of sunglasses. These babies are so cute. Yes, yes, amazing. I am holding a sale right now from, what month are we in? From May 13th through May 19th. The sale on Sunday ends at $11.59. You buy 2 pair of lashes, you get 1 free. Only, yeah. So you buy 2 pairs of lashes, you get 1 free. You get to pick your lashes. Only lashes you can't get for free are my mink lashes. Every other lash you can add to your cart and get it for free. Say you want 3 pairs of my princess lash, you get 1 for free. So these are my princess lashes. But anyways, that concludes the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. See ya. Wouldn't wanna be ya. Whoa. How do you do it? Whoa. Ow. Ow, 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 ow.